Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road, my mostly weekly video about the goings-on here in the Thompson School District and the greater Loveland area. And it's the last week of school. This is my last regular scheduled visit out into the district, and it's raining out. So, of course, it's almost summer break. But what that means is that for the rest of this week, I'm going to be still coming down and picking up repairs and things like that, because that's really what it's all about right now is the instrument repairs. The schools are getting the instruments back that the kids have been using that belong to the school all year, and now those need to be fixed, they need to be cleaned, they need to be turned around and get ready to hand out to the next kid. And that's what we spend all our summers doing. Our repair techs are at their benches basically, from sun up till sundown all summer, and we're about to hit that time of year where it's really crunch time. I know summer break isn't even here yet, and we're already thinking about fitting everything in time for the fall. Marching band camps have already started, and I know teachers have already prepped for everything for the fall when the kids come back. So lots going on, lots to do, even though they won't be in regular rehearsals and regular classes throughout this summer. And reflecting upon a couple of things. One is performances that just happened. I always say that a performance is not the accomplishment, it's a celebration of the accomplishment, which is learning the music and developing the skill and preparing for the performance. And when a performance falls short of that, it's a great learning experience to better gauge how you can prepare for that. So whether the concert went the way that you wanted it to, or whether it was a great learning experience, there's always a takeaway from that. So I hope everyone that performed looks at it as a positive experience, because getting up there and performing in the first place is just an amazing feat. On a personal note, my son Timothy, third grader over at Centennial Elementary School, performed in the talent show and did a great job playing on drums. He was one of only 3 third graders that got to perform in the show, so super proud of him. And then on another personal note, I've got a couple of teachers in the district that are moving on to other opportunities. So Joey and Alex, loved working with you these past few years and really going to miss you. Anything that I can do for you or anything that you need, whatever you end up doing, don't be afraid to reach out. You know how to find me. So that is the end of the school year. It's a wrap, and that is your view from the road. As always, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.